did my last live stream. I just didn't have much time to be doing live streams. But like it takes time. It's not great weather outside. It's not nice at all. Tás go trúna na mágaí jazz réchi rinne a brandú sheer in a live stream with you. I hope everyone that's watching back in the live stream is having a nice weekend. Jazz chat and the jazz. Kay nach when I'm sugar jazz. Even though the weather's not great. At my kebu lá máach galta nís far. The lá máach galta nís far. Tomorrow is promised better. Tasúla GM go. Hopefully it is. Thank you if you have any questions for a native Irish speaker from Milan from the Iron Islands. Thank you go Kaicharohuch. Asilian fein Sasta no Jenna Muhial a Kestaki Gurch. I'll do my best to answer any questions. If I can go dinner one, it's a live stream for large. I see there's one person in the live stream. George, to Jessica. I hope you have a nice evening. I guess at home if you have any question for me, a native Irish speaker from Milan. Vince no gentleman my heel. We can do said about chin said look glazed the susan the coat boshti. I saw a few people walking there and all wrapped up coat the boshti raincoats. Tamakiapu which such an the wash saw through good lower force. It's still heavy enough rain here at the moment. Ma ceapú teáilta le bhainní siise beidir gan bhfuach le mar bhhail mo le siúlaid. Tásúla mi gan bhfuach le. Hopefully I'm able to go out in an hour's time. No mar sin tá mai ceap bhfuil diréidir aim si raibhaim si bhte galta níos fear háart ar a hotchlog. Dúirt Joseph McGinley tróna flochbáit an seo freisin idir an áireann. Tá sé flochbáite gaifar an seo freisin. Tá sé mar a deara tá sé ina dhéach tá sé ina dhéach. You say that tá sé ina dhéach when it's very windy. Tá sé ina dhéach. Wet, windy kind of conditions. They're just windy. So no sinish like what my band machen I know I'm looking out the window here. Agus manam go ina dhéach. It is manam goil. My soul it is manam goil. You say that to emphasize something that's mar humpla mar dúirt as I said there, if it's very windy at the moment, and I am saying to emphasize that it is it's very windy. Manam goil. Oh, by God it is, so to speak, and my soul it is. So manam goil. So to say go trona jazz tain Joseph McGinley. To go Jerry jazz. I hope you have a nice weekend. I guess with two smile as a Jerry. I hope there's a good start to your Jerry to your weekend. Because Fickim go cooker. Well, we cooker is that true. Live stream. There were 5 people, and it's the true live stream. Was get a hand to my timer. You know what? Was get a hand. You know what? Was get a hand. Because my timer is la Kujak Nomad. Masha Jinama Kujak Nomad live stream. To hook no much into my so I've already about 5 minutes into my mind about their fin nomad by my sauce the lesson. If I do 20 minutes by my sauce the lesson. Agus tá mai ceap sin an tam dearnach nach tá mai ceap go tá seacht an ddíadach tam dearnach am live stream Creile Bill live stream. Bhí me in Gaile. I was in Galway the last time I did a live stream. And that's it. Tá been nach cinse gur seach an ddíireach I think it's exactly a week ago. Ben nach cinse agus well bhí me in gáile íháin as an gáilthrónáid. Bhí sé gceistem deach toras léanana. I only intended to do a day trip ach bhí naimsir go duna eiste chu leir bhí de híine se caiite grána go leir freisin. Last Friday was fairly awful as well. Ach mar dan bhí lá na bháireach the next day was okay. Mar a chaim a bháil ar mád agus bhí bád package ach there's Brian Murphy sin deaghaite chara níor tá bochalín na gaile bheith go déir seachtainna bhí bua mai go riocht an ród a lastop. Se an troi well níle sam ní an gur éhhaite go le an airlín tuchneach soch mai a lá na ríide bhí chutar galóir bhí galóir seantainach go chuir ar fóraíl Galway not really nothing to do with luck ní ar mór an I guess tíach as but come us spéidir a lack of competency on the day ar a lá chutar galóir seantainna ar fóraíl. They had lots of opportunities but wide. Bhí mar a dearm muid bhí cuis cá crooked foot. They had a crooked foot. They weren't able to hit straight near an well gee a char a bear with their cuis cá, with their going wide, go faril, go goalie. They were goalie always kicking wide and that over the bear. Ach kindocher. No harm. Dúirt Josh agus Rollo hi. Well, Josh agus Rollo, tá sunam go tú go má, tá sun bhfuil sib go má, agus go bhfuil trónúna deasachaí, they became nice will ship wherever you're from. Josh and Rollo, I hope you have a nice evening, wherever that may be. Agus there's Brian Murphy sin gant out níor se, so that's point is sorry. Ní a bheith ní company níor well, fair play go chun na mí, daidir lo agus bhí sé tilteach up I mhuaimsa níor nach pointse bháin ach níor se na réide tiltte gaile mail méid seansna bhí acab chur ar a mó na réide. So even though they only lost by a point Galway, they didn't deserve to win. Níor se go hope níor se tilteach up mail I go leor seansna go bhí seo seansna go seo sin focail eile go leor bhí seo seansna go chur ar a mó mar se níor se go hope. They had lots of opportunities, but they messed it up. So they didn't deserve to go through. Anyway, fair play chun na mí. Dúirt Joe Corliss an bhfuil pub Tilan ar Nilan. In the sair tá trí bheran, tá trí foban, trí fob. Tá trí fob in the sair. We have 3 pubs on in a sair. Tí ruaidí, Muidir ruaidí, not ruaidí. Agus tá an Tostan Hotel, agus sinta Chined tí sa bór te freisna, Chined down the road here. Mar se tá 3 foba, mar se ní bheith tú mai tú gear a piúnta gra póstar. No Heineken 0, no Guinness 0 cheannat freisin petúna sin bes sin files na popannaí má tú gear a piece of crack, piece of Spraoi. Mar se a 3 foba. Dúirt John McGinley, Joseph McGinley go má leisceal. Istói go bhfuil sib níos goige chun a chláir na go Rustavíl. Cinsart caidir tá le muintir a chláir. Se bhfuil a caidir main a chun a chláir bhí riamh agus se bhfuil cá bád cuméis bá go dúlan bailach a láin mar a teara sinna seannain an sinna taine bhachtaine gluch. Ní bhachtaine rá dúlan is teanna ríidir fad ó déidir tíis bailach a láin, dúil sé go bailach a láin, séir go chun a chláir siar gan is meáin. ach serge go go mar je dis fa to go ser bell line they'd say got long ago they wouldn't say Dublin they'd say would go ser bell line to go ser bell line chamra hey go bell line no srod in yeskere or srod in the yeskere they'd say Fisher Street sin is srod Dublin ach mas ni vigi sa ra Dublin they read a fat all and they wouldn't really say Dublin long ago is bell line or Fisher Street in Maryland, Stáit níoscar. Ach, so a catch ma, ein. Is, well, my friend na Slinche, the surnames is Slinche, Chonamara, a chud smúg na Slinche, in a Soir, of Lart, o Canaiola, as marshans marshoes in a brief Slinche. A tá Slinche land certa na Spraoi dunnoch tá bunus muinach Clancy takta bhíoch Clancy tá Clancy warfach in the Soir. There's one Clancy left and that's a monster name if I'm not mistaken. It was Spraoi and muinach mar moving that's a monster name as well. Mar tá cadrh ma so mar bhacht nasc stoi ma how to share céad chuig blian no mar sin. Steigermach daine as kundach láir fósach duna cinse sin is séir ben as kundach láir that no marsin maybe a man from in a Soir might marry a woman from Dublin they might live here or Harla sin ma hín hand for my own great grandmother was from Dublin Harla sin mo chlán hain agus Jan Golor as Jan Golor daine leftesin and a lot of other people in the same mar the mainach kundach láir an so there is a bit of Clare in us and here in the Soir. Ach, is sort Slinche Connemara as Gailge Connemara time cha. Ach, le Gaile cannot in the Soir. We have our own in the Soir accent. Ach, Gailge Connemara. Ta chonchar mindach stoi ní smór Gailge in the Soir na vacher Gailge in the Schmain is in the Schmór. There's a monster influence, more of an monster influence on in the Gailge in the Soir than there would be on the two islands. Mar hopla much Yon ma, near Yon agus near Yon, Dhein. We say Yon as opposed to Runne. And the other two islands in Connemara agus Moyo. So Gailge chonacht, Jerdis Runne, let's say Runne. Everywhere else in Connacht, Kismuche, apart from Shachas in the Soir, Germuch, Yon, mar Yon me, Yon mate, instead of Runde mate, mar the bonus muinach styles, Kundach law, the Hanich styles, that's probably where the monster is that influence. A couple of focal marshin, Hanich that's a kind child in the Soir, a few words like that came into the kind. Here in the Soir. Yon Kangana Foklashin. Yon is one of those words. Ketort Kucholin will Haike allowed her in the Sonis Kuslagaye. Ohana Gaige Hanamar Neil is Gaige Hanamara. Kesmuch couple of focal chats of children was Yon. Agus Bejer Solar, Germuch Solar or not, quarto. Tama quarto blah 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 looking for Germuj solar tama solar moikin tea on the I'm looking for a mug to make a mug of tea mar humpla solar to look for so Germuj cha Durch the culpa kestel chin Durch Joseph McKinley Belgaline well it's so like kin sevach at everyone says ni ma kin ni man ra kin litru kart tair ach Belgaline ni sam ki hiel no kin litru bailach ach sinne Jerry Gishere sinne Jerry sin Durch Joseph McKinley chin Jon Mellach chama yn gael that's yn syml maar ta mynlach was as yn stoi beidir gaile nach sort gaile na gaile kind of slightly east Galway mar beidir go sort nasc sin sort chorin ó gar an chorin stoigi mín sort stoi go mín sort meas gan go mín meas gan ná mar teara nice sta go dála te an galórá te chu cúnda nó cúnda bhach éidir chá chúige mar húpla sé mu muo tuisgur fao tá tron chorubag oltach go gaige rudbag Mayo Irish, they have a little influence of Ulster Irish, much of rubag is hua. Kegar gaige chonacht, that even though it's Connacht Irish, there'll be a slight Ulster influence, chanchar oltach. Mar as dairod céine cha mai angul much gar go coige moon gundach láir, agus go méoch daine post gundach láir cha agus goch meas gan, gomach chancharan. Ach réch blokam iske. Ja, blokam. Du gör blokam te. Du gör blokam te. Fach blokam te go jas now brap. Drap te no so. Bringing jeta bringing te. Du gör bringing te. Do you want to drop a tea? Blokam tea. Ja, nie mach blokam iske. Ja, all I need is a mouthful of water or blokam iskes. Blokam teas by Matau. A drop of tea now, I'll be great by Matau. Jindur Kucholin. Tabal Halain, Ikil Van Time Fishing. Black Line, a Hoctor, a Merla. Come on, just in Simul. Agus cé so hain Kucholin. Where are you from yourself, Kucholin? Cé so hain. Agus Joseph McGinley, cé so hain freshin. Where are you from, Joseph McGinley? Agus Joe Corliss, the Birch, Joe's son. Joseph Hoy. So where are you from yourself? Agus some will Tronuna Jassa. I hope you have a nice go will Tronuna Jassa. Agus so we'll Kestella go home. Oh, shit, my all the heart my rash. In a mod the Thompson. Martin just and when I came back in the boat, almost exactly a week tomorrow, Martin the morning. We have packculture. Nílas cym eis daine bhír amát, bhí packculture. Ní mailim na it's about packculture. I don't like when the boat is packed. I don't like too many people chimpler. I don't like too many people around me, when it's packed poshty skrechail, kids screaming and running up and down the ship and I would it's like a man with Charlie a skill and probably something like an old cranky fart given out. Is coming that would like it's only about an hour's journey, it's alright. Barum er nach well in the dinach. Is come on. Fired me, I survived. I survived. There's just a McKinley ta heart that Chachar gaig ed Chanacht arne as ed chair na gaile cha. Oh come on. Masha sky luhain, Masha Joseph, sky luhain. Come on. Well, mar much ní láróid go chaile seatan chaáitine was a great day for Galway a seat. Na come on. No matter. Ben bblion se hogan. I always have next year. Ní annach chluféréchi. Ceir deir le haileach ní annach baile. Ach réchi. Ní annach baile bag. Dúirt clufií what a timer caite. Was go daine chuir me genúma timer mar se má chur genúma duile. Táach tuair genúma injury time. So where I'm putting an extra 10 minutes of injury time into the live stream. Genúma duile. Wat was go daine a floch récha a fós floch. Bhí me cap go beidir hart ar a hocht. Getláin se fichan na hocht. Me cap a beidir mas a hart ar a hocht. Gomach se John Aitchel. áitiil áitiil náitiil mí sem cholasib an focail sin hánach John áitiil ceann te sin vín sa tair a gláán a rééis náid an na bháiste agus sin ficintó spéid híar agus tan iríon tasí scarste agus rubag da gom sa spéid John áitiil ach ní sé John tá brenn tan inne go se scleit an na cartní sclíte agus tá brenn siar tá brenn siar níos meáin sin agus ní sé John áitiil fós éireach agus níle sama mé níle sama mé but there's no sign of it doing áitiil at the moment. Dúirs clufií riomhre dechuit just mar chuit clufií riomhre so mu go má. Dúirt Joe Corliss is as beach chunda bhío ó go má. Agus dúirt cholinn agus Spraoi ná sé cilchuine gá go má jazz. Méach carfuma san ísiltír fiáir an am. Áta san ísiltír mar sé bhfuiltas a bhuiach le chun cín ar na teán éidir a dú an áir ahead of us here in Holland, Netherlands. Tá ba Netherlands an rud ceart I Maryland. Sílam gur Netherlands a rud ceart ní Holland. I think they prefer Netherlands to Holland, the Dutch. Mar bhfuil me go le mó, mar go le mó. If I'm not mistaken, mar go le mó. Ach, mar se a couple in Skyil an réach agus den kilvád ten cholinn is kilvád ten agus Joe Corliss as cúnta bhío agus tá Joseph McKinley as Skyile cúnta na Gaile bheith go má agus go má as a solo go bhfuil si baint tainmh as an cruile be se. I hope you're enjoying the live stream here. Agus would you pay ben around with the telly? Are you watching anything interesting on the television or any would you big Leo Van Laura no fikim Cliffy Reaver? Would you give more saying Cliffy Simul for law must have a PlayStation, Nintendo or Steam? Doch is the car much chin because when sauce Follow which kitchen begin of your laws. I'd be interested to hear what you're doing at the moment. Would you be Jean Aaron, no which gold cup and tea, no which more so knows my hand, go my John Atchel, go guys, my ship na mach a show let's jazz. But Bunta still hands as a sour and I give me Tranona jazz fat, being a gal. Oh, bit a gal fós go dtí mé caite déir go háid. There's a benefit of the summertime. Germas art le béle le gailge mal níos an cín caiid an gailge ag na daoine sa brandó as bit bit nach mach an airt sin gailge com. Mar germa le gailge le béle say half Irish, half English. Ach benefit of the summer is nice long evenings. So you can go out for a walk, machs at Tranona, out in the evening. But I catch a gel when it's even after 10 o'clock, it's still bright. Funish even now. The Sulam being a man on a shoe like a bit gan lower. Hopefully I'm able to go for a walk in about half an hour. The Sulam, but more while is coming in, gel down there. If I'm not, it's not the word. For my shoe like just imagine. Vi ma an chuile siúl no vi ma bhuiach le Narva. Vi ma bhuiach le Narva. It was almost an hour walking this morning. Vi sunny am a lead. Scaim a lead here is Tamelina as my brown pram. So I had sunny on the lead for a good hour walk and I was pushing the pram as well. As in a malach ash on the way back, Hosas are tussing the wash to rub because it started to kind of to start to rain a bit. Ach rud vi an tar no a hus start na wash me ben I baile. I was almost at home by the time the rain started. As was in going near southwesterly wind. We lot it. I've been chod lum ar ash. Been chod lum. Bhí chóir lom the chóir an chóir. That's Cechainer in America, how do you say that in English? Chóir. When you have the wind backing you. When you have the wind backing you, when you have the big sail on the boat show at a hookera on the Galway hooker with the big sail, and when the wind is south and you're facing north, you have been a chóir le shama, been a chóir lé. With her, that word, mar bhí chóir lum. Jachtan here, so I had the wind backing me. So bhí nus na gaí. I was like the wind. I was very quick with the chóir lum. Dúirt Joe Cimainis tá cúpla de teanna bha go me. Fána tainis háldána second. Yeah, she would have like Keen, she my cap now her head in Holland, Netherlands. There's just McKinley, my van, like caution, Rossi. No gun, Monsieur, while Glon, or Goma, it's a fire. As cartoons. Oh, good, just in the Harfat. Yeah, the cooler cat, come on. The cooler cat, TG car player, the Rowney Ma. Cartoons on tíhaige. There's honnig mas gun on Super Mario Bros. Le journalists. So honey se fresh in honey chefek so fi I've seen it twice, Super Mario Brothers. Hey, check ma. Hanna salam, just gun on ma. Just a bar, no bar was funny. Just come on, smile. That's my niece le Nintendo. I grew up with Nintendo. Super Nintendo. I mean Game Boy the Game Boy Super Nintendo, agus Nintendo 64. Now my book when I was small. That's my niece lesson, so small Nintendo. Ní Nintendo nish. I don't like Nintendo now. I'm ní my false Switch 2. Ní Nintendo mar cholacht. I don't like them as a company. Ní chatterson na thing mar jara. They're not consumer friendly mar jara. Mar shani málum take there's going to know smooth. I've been sconanchin go ma hand and sconanchin le fair. I did like that film. Which I think we ho. Kia the chin. There's Joe Corliss. Do you schedule these live streams or is it when you have the time? I never know when you're going to stream. It just depends if I have time. It's about a week since I did my last stream. It's almost exactly a week since I did my last stream, live stream. Just ní ná, I'm just branch my priacloch in focalos. That's a word we use here when you're under pressure or very busy under pressure. But if you met priacloch le Shafton Garava, so I was very busy for almost a week or there. But there in Shansam. To them live stream. Maybe you go hunt up in live stream hard to lower no smooth. So usually my live streams are a half an hour or more. It's racing to fad the talk it takes time, come event kind. I'm here talking and because fraggers catch I'm here talking and answering questions and that. So talking to time it takes time to Dom hey mom hey that's it. Marshan even a nerchin chance na but volume small live streams I'd like to do more live streams Bedin my can reached Jadon I might do one on Sunday being rubag ni small seed am a jar shot and I usually have a bit more free time on weekends Marshata Sulam Jadona. Hopefully at Sunday I'll be able to do another one. There's Cliffy Hannah Shalom Shavi Shagma Super Mario. There's Koholin and I'm a figure stash na Netherlands. I sneeze my cap, I guess it's region Holland. I sneeze my cap, yeah, Holland is a region, it's the Netherlands. Then I can't come more such a Holland, my hope Amsterdam, The Hague, it was Rotterdam, Chigamo, I understand, Chigamo. There's just McKinley, not Anshat Hose Stoi Nachvana chat. Oh, Shashine. a chóir. Dúirt lé girls lé é just mar chuit slé girl. Tásúil an ggóilta go má, hope you're well. Tá ceap in a couple ma dailin is I think I'll do another couple of minutes and then I'll head off Malta Massert. About Cockroach I'm in his fresh and I'm getting a little bit hungry as well, I guess when I'm shoelights guided. Nivan Charoin Tafos. It doesn't look great out yet. Besigan now. But while I'm rudder kinchi, you dosach for I prefer I to eat something. While I'm goblach a kinchi van. Go guided, goblach snack. Sin focal in trotted in the schmein.